All-in-one versatility. This complete grooming kit includes 2 attachments and 6 length combs for your face, head, and detail trimming. Heavy-duty polycarbonate shell. This groomer is virtually indestructible. The heavy-duty polycarbonate shell protects the high-performance interior. Stainless steel blades. The self-sharpening blades are engineered for long-lasting precision and premium cutting performance. Durability. Lifetime Limited provides long-lasting, powerful grooming you can depend on. Lithium Power. Up to 90 minutes of cordless runtime. Plus, a quick charge function gives you enough power for one grooming session after a 5-minute charge. Top reviews from the United States. Excellent product. I had the same brand but left it at a hotel. This one is more heavy-duty and really works perfectly. Quiet and quick. Blades are very sharp and cut cleanly. Love the product and would buy again.